Hello, you're looking at a Dynaflux heavy-duty welding water cooler brought to you by Lanco. This is a model R4000. It's air-cooled, 460-volt, 3-phase. This unit is used typically in welding applications for cooling processes. We're going to run it here for you so you can see it operate. Unit runs very well. As you can see here, the R4000 by Dynaflux. Once again, this is a recirculatory system, stainless steel cabinet, heavy-duty welding water cooler. If you're interested in this unit or any metal finishing or waste treatment equipment, please contact Lanco at 616-887-8300 or online at www.lanco-corp.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.